In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply a percentage or flat amount discount to an invoice, so your totals are accurate and your customers see their savings clearly. Start by creating a new transaction. From your QuickBooks dashboard, look toward the top left and click New. This opens a menu of transaction types. Choose Invoice. This takes you to a fresh invoice form where you can add all the details for your customer. Next, fill out the invoice fields. Select your customer, add an invoice date and due date, and then enter the products or services you're billing for. Make sure you include quantities, rates, and any tax settings you normally use. The more precise you are here, the easier it will be to apply the discount correctly. If you want to keep your records crystal clear, you can add a short note in the message or memo areas to explain the reason for the discount, such as a promotion, loyalty credit, or courtesy adjustment. This helps your customer understand what they're seeing and can reduce back and forth questions later. Once your line items are in, scroll to the totals area of the invoice. Here, you'll see an option for a discount. You can choose the type of discount to be either a percentage or a flat amount. Pick percentage if you're applying a set rate, like 10% off the subtotal. This is handy for promotions or tiered discounts, and it automatically recalculates if quantities or rates change. Choose flat amount if you want to deduct a specific dollar value, like 25 off the total. This is ideal when you've agreed on a fixed reduction regardless of the invoice size. Enter the discount amount in the field provided. As soon as you do, QuickBooks will update the totals to show the discount and the new balance due. Take a quick moment to review the math and ensure the discount looks right alongside your tax and subtotal. Clarity here prevents surprises later. When everything looks good, click Save on the invoice. That's it. Your invoice now includes the discount, and it's recorded properly for your books. If you plan to send it to your customer, you can do that after saving. As a final tip, make sure your discount aligns with your pricing policy and keep your descriptions consistent so reports and customer statements remain easy to read. You've just learned how to add a discount in QuickBooks Online with confidence and accuracy.